Hey, what's up guys? Ted here with Dirty Habit Off-Road, and here we have for sale this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S. This Jeep is in amazing condition inside and out, has only 34,000 original miles on it, clean and clear title. We do have a Carfax for the vehicle as well. Just inside and out, amazing shape. Drives every bit as great as it looks. About 4 years ago, a local customer brought this Jeep into us. We did the 2.5-inch suspension lift, wheels, tires, basically everything aftermarket you see on this Jeep. Again, 34,000 miles, V6, automatic, all your power options, heated seats, heated steering wheel. You got the Twill soft top, 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires on the Fuel Assault wheels, 18-inch. Up front you got your winch bumper, you got the Rough Country 9,500 pounds electric winch with a synthetic rope, 12-inch LED light bar, LED headlights and fog lights. You have the front hitch up front here, so a lot of people put a fishing rod in there, like a cooler holder or something like that. The paint's in beautiful shape. Again, it was just fully detailed, and inside and out is pristine. We did the lift. It was a 2.5-inch suspension lift, so shocks, springs all the way around. It had a heavy duty steering stabilizer, it has an adjustable front track bar. You have your Rhino side steps here. Body's in immaculate shape. I mean, honestly, no dents or dings that I've seen. If I see anything when I'm going around, I will point it out. Right here, these are nice. The Oracle lights there that go in that little vent. You open your door, they shine. When you hit your key fob, they shine as well. Soft top's in great shape. Your tires have about 60 to 70% tread. Aftermarket fuel door. You have a deviate rear bumper, rear tow hitch, got your D-rings, matching spare tire, and you have the heavy duty bracket back there to hold the spare tire. If you have any questions, again, my name's Ted, Dirty Habit Off-Road, 252-491-4900. You can also text me at, you can also text me at 804-852-4907. Or you can email me at ted@dirtyhabitoffroad.com. On the site, under our inventory page, I probably have about 100 or so pictures. Pictures of the engine as well. The engine is immaculate. You do have WeatherTech floor mats front and rear. Seats are in great shape. Again, the interior is immaculate. You have your auxiliary switches there. Again, heated seats, steering wheel. 34,615 original miles. There's my drink. Carpets are in great shape. Front and back seats are in great shape. Door panels. Your door jambs are spotless. Seat cover. Just super clean. Little storage bags here for the rear. Let me throw that back in there. That's trash anyways. In the glove box here, you have your book, your manual. You have your winch remote in the back. But again, just super, super clean. All right, we're gonna hop in, drive it around up to the shop. Yeah. You have the one remote. I have to see if they have a second. Hook my seatbelt. Shoot all my videos just down the road because it's a nice little cul-de-sac. Very quiet. No one will bother me. Yeah, go to our website, dirtyhabitoffroad.com. Click the inventory tab at the top. From there you can view all the pictures, all the info about this Jeep. All right. 252-491-4900, or you can text me at 804-852-4907. Thanks again.